Dear members and students, let me wish you all a very happy and joyous Chartered Accountants Day. It is undoubtedly a great honor for me to be blessed with a unique opportunity of serving the largest statutory accounting, auditing and professional body of the world that was set up by the Chartered Accountants Act 1949 of the Indian Parliament. Just 2 years after India got independence and 1 year before we got the constitution of our country. ICAI has the privilege to grow under the leaders who always stood strong in the face of adversity, possessed courage to make tough decisions and compassion to empathize the challenges. It is the irreplaceable contributions of our visionary forefathers that have built the unshakable precedents for integrity and brilliance at ICAI, which led to its phenomenal growth. ICAI, being a true partner in nation building, has always collaborated with various initiatives of the government and regulatory bodies for facilitating the implementation of various policies and measures directed towards development of the economy. Today I am proud to acknowledge that tradition of service before self that was started in the year 1949 is followed unabated over more than 7 decades of our journey. I am equally sure that our present and future generations will always keep this in mind and act for societal duties while discharging their various functions. In this direction, ICAI, through its system of education and training to students and as professional education post-qualification to chartered accountants, inculcates best of ethical behavior in the best interest of the public. While I take immense pride in the confidence that society and government repose in the profession, I am also fully aware of responsibilities as a partner in nation building. We at ICAI feel that an educative drive in the country, particularly for the MSMEs in the areas of spreading financial and tax literacy, will be a big service not just to business community but also to the nation and can be a great catalyst for change and make India Atmanirbhar. Every year, July 1st is celebrated as Solidarity Day by the entire CA fraternity across the globe. This year too, ICAI through its 5 regional councils, 164 branches, 42 overseas chapters and 26 representative offices will be celebrating this special day in a unified manner. I look forward to the members of the profession to work passionately in the best interest of the business and society. Before I conclude, I wish to re-emphasize that a chartered accountant must be committed to lifetime of learning and to change with times. In the times of change, it is the learners who inherit the future. I extend my best wishes to you and your families. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Dear professional colleagues, I extend my heartfelt warm regards and good wishes to all of you on the Chartered Accountants Day, which we celebrate every year on 1st July. Today we celebrate integrity, excellence and independence that are the integral aspects of the character of an Indian Chartered Accountant. It is a day that we remember the founding fathers for upholding the dignity of accounting profession. Let us start our celebration by expressing our sincere respect, credit and recognition to them. Huge amount of planning and efforts have resulted in the present accomplishments of the Institute. While we are completing 72 years of our glorious existence, we have really come a very long way since 1949. I feel proud of the way that we have grown and got acceptance and recognition globally. We are the 2nd largest accounting body of the world. Our international footprints are significant. We have 42 overseas chapters and 26 representative offices overseas. Our presence is there in 45 countries of the world. Let me salute each and every stakeholder of the profession who has responsibly contributed for this success. While I feel contented looking at the state where Indian accountancy today is, I would never like to let this contentment come in the way of our ongoing endeavors to further improve. Accountancy profession in India will continue to take initiative and measures in order to contribute to the robust Indian economy. Adaptability has been one of the unique qualities of the Chartered Accountants. The Institute is working hard to ensure that the members are kept abreast of the latest technological developments impacting the profession like artificial intelligence, blockchain, etc. The need to take advantage of newer areas like forensic audit, integrated reporting, insolvency, etc., while at the same time stressing on the quality of the traditional areas like accountancy, tax, and audit is work in progress. On the educational front, the new Committee for Review of Education and Training, CRET, has been established this year to study the existing scheme of education and practical training. The committee will identify the modification required in context of global economic environment, technology, and policies of the government. The pandemic has made us face many challenges. The Institute is committed to working towards converting every challenge into an opportunity and ensuring that the membership can take full advantage of the opportunities in a fast changing world. I have no doubt that the Chartered Accountants will never move away from our goal of being a partner in nation building and do everything needed to keep the flag of the Institute and of the profession flying very high. Wishing all of you the very best. Stay safe, stay healthy.